up in a world that's not my own. It's just a message carved in blood and bone. Welcome player to the great unknown. Survive the game or die alone. A ticking clock, a deadly score. A different nightmare behind each door. Gotta learn the rules, then break some more. Just to see the sun I knew before. Adrenaline rushing through my veins. Echoes of laughter, phantom pains. Every victory a brand new chain. But I'll keep fighting through the strife. This is my infinite.
You wake up and your front door swings open to reveal another world. The environment resets every midnight with unknown dangers. If you don't venture into otherworldly realms to gather supplies and equipment, you're left waiting for certain death in your apartment. What would you choose to do?
Welcome, survivors, to the otherworld. Please familiarize yourselves with the following rules.
Now, begin your journey. Congratulations, Master. Your exclusive system has been activated. The gateway to the otherworld is now opening. Will you proceed? The location of a unique grand prize in each realm is marked on your map.
Exclusive? So only I have the system. Doesn't that mean I've got to cheat?
After reviewing the mission, you decisively choose to enter. You open the door and step outside, finding yourself before a hotel.
Dear guest, please enjoy.
Seeing the scene before you, you quickly open the map.
There are still starlight points nearby, but I'm not sure what they are.
Following the map's guidance, you unlock the mysterious grand prize, only to find a stack of spirit money inside.
With this spirit money, perhaps these fierce ghosts are now under my command.
Go and deliver this to the customer.
Where's the customer?
As you finish speaking, the manager suddenly lets out an eerie laugh.
So you're saying you have no idea where the customer is?
How would I know if you don't tell me?
The manager's mouth twisted into an eerie grin as if ready to devour you whole. You raise your hand and fling a stack of spirit money directly at the manager's face.
What is this?
The manager stared at the spirit money in his hand, his face filled with disbelief.
For me?
What else?
The manager's attitude did a complete 180, and he bowed respectfully.
My esteemed, distinguished guest, right this way, please.
The manager leads you to the guest table and stops. You place the meal in front of the customer.
This meal is deeply unsatisfactory. As punishment, I'll help myself to your heart.
If you're not satisfied, then die. Can't you see our master is in a hurry?
The manager glanced at you, then turned back with an ingratiating smile.
Sir, the customer is utterly delighted, so much so that they're speechless. Please take care on your way out.
Well done. This is your reward.
The manager beamed with delight, bowing at a perfect 90-degree angle as he watched Noah leave.
Noah has completed the mission.
At that moment, every player in the hotel lobby turned to look.
So fast. How did he manage that?
You're a legend. I'm in awe of you.
Legend.
You recoiled several steps in fear.
What are you doing?
Please, tell me how to get through this.
Just use spirit money.
After saying this, you list the remaining spirit money on the trading platform, and it sells out the moment it's posted. The wall display shows sufficient experience.
System, initiate the upgrade.
Upgrade successful. Your store now offers more items to purchase, and you've received the bonus of 100 gold coins.
What is this newly appeared table?
This is a workbench. At night, fierce beasts will attack, but you can use it to build defenses.
You exchanged gold coins for 20 toxic thorns, crafted 2 spike traps at the workbench, and casually tossed them outside. Exhausted after a long day, you lay down on the bed and fell asleep instantly. You got up, walked outside, and threw the chicken and rabbit caught by the spike traps back into the room.
Congratulations, Master. You were the first to capture prey, triggering a hidden quest. Play chess with an eerie old man.
You took out your phone, searched for AI chess, downloaded it, and headed out.
What a robust body. I bet the heart would be quite delicious.
Sir, I don't know how to play chess. Could you go easy on me?
Hearing this, the old man's face lit up with even greater delight.
It seems I'll soon be able to taste his heart.
The old man grinned ominously and moved the chess piece. Following the prompts on your phone, you quickly moved a piece as well. The old man's expression gradually grew solemn. As you made your final move, the old man's expression instantly collapsed.
I actually lost? This can't be happening.
The old man trembled as he stood up and pointed at you.
But you said you didn't know how to play.
I really don't know how to play. Maybe your skills are just that poor.
I am the chess sage, undefeated throughout history. You're clearly an expert, yet pretended to be a novice. Humans really are all deceivers.
You lost. Now give me your most valuable possession.
Grudgingly, the old man produced the Netherworld car, which then flew into your hands.
With this car, I won't have to trek around on foot to gather materials anymore.
Play another round with me. This time, I'll bet a spatial ring.
A free ring? Why would I say no to that?
You sat down and continued playing chess with the old man.
Remember, gambler, there is no future in this.
Oh, chess sage, you are the true master. To have played against you, even if my soul were to scatter into dust, it would be worth it.